Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to discuss the three main trig functions, sine, cosine, and tangent. You'll see there are 6 basic trig functions, but these are the 3 you're going to see more often than not. So let's get to it. Let's define sine to start, which is spelled S-I-N-E and abbreviated sometimes S-I-N. Okay, so that stands for the side opposite the angle in a right triangle over the hypotenuse. So let's talk about what those are. So to find the side opposite the angle in a right triangle, all we do is we take the angle, so this angle theta, and we draw a straight line out and hit the side here, and that's going to be the opposite side. So the opposite side, the length here is 3, and the hypotenuse is actually the side that's opposite the right angle, and it's the longest side in a right triangle. So 5 is our hypotenuse in this case. So if we want to find the sine of theta here, well, it's going to be the opposite side's length, 3, over the hypotenuse side's length, which is 5. Okay, so that's sine. Cosine is a little different. Cosine is the adjacent side, we'll talk about that in a moment, the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. So the adjacent side is the side next to the angle that is not the hypotenuse. So let's take a look at the second one. We're trying to find the cosine of the angle beta. Very much depends on what angle you're looking for. So beta's up here. If we want to find the side that's adjacent to it, next to it, that's not the hypotenuse, well, in that case, that's 3. So that's 3 over the hypotenuse, which is 5. Now notice that beta's here, theta's here. The cosine of beta is the same as the sine of theta. Now, if I were going to find the cosine of theta, well, that would be different. Okay, we'll get to that one in a few moments. Tangent here, which is sometimes abbreviated TAN, tangent is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. Okay, so let's find the tangent of theta. Tangent of theta, the opposite side is 3 over the adjacent side, the side next to it that's not the hypotenuse, which is 4. So the tangent of theta in this case is 3/4. Okay, we're also going to find the sine of beta. Try not to move around too much, sorry about that. So the sine of beta here. All right, so let's go to beta here. And we want to go to the opposite side, so we draw a line out, hit the other side, which is 4, over the hypotenuse, which is 5. After sine of beta, let's see, we're finding tangent of beta now. All right, so tangent of beta is the opposite side, so 4, over the adjacent side, 3. Okay, last one I was going to do that we haven't done is the cosine of theta. I'm going to just squeeze that in over here. So cosine of theta, that's going to be the adjacent side here, which is 4, over the hypotenuse, which is 5. So 4/5, okay? All right, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Also, if you're a teacher or someone interested in worksheets, check out my Teacher Pay Teacher store. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Also, I'll leave a link to my website in the description as well. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.